Misplay's appearance can be affected by your phone's system theme, so if dark mode suddenly looks broken, refuses to change, or leaves parts of the app displaying incorrectly, start by checking the device theme before reinstalling Mistplay. By the end, you'll know how to refresh Misplay's appearance, test your phone's dark mode settings, and troubleshoot the app without affecting your account. First, completely close Mistplay. Remove it from your recent apps, then open it again. If the dark theme was not applied correctly during the previous session, restarting the app can force Mistplay to reload its interface. Next, check your phone's system theme. On Android, open Settings and search for Dark Theme or Dark Mode. Turn it off. Open Mistplay. Then close Mistplay. And turn Dark Mode back on. Reopen the app and check whether the interface now matches the system theme. If you use Android Scheduled Dark Mode, temporarily disable the schedule while testing. A scheduled theme can change automatically based on your phone settings, which makes it harder to tell whether Mistplay or the operating system is controlling the appearance. You should also check whether other apps are displaying dark mode correctly. Open another app that follows the Android system theme. If multiple apps have the same display problem, the issue is more likely related to the phone's display settings than Mistplay itself. Next, restart your phone. A restart reloads the operating system and can clear temporary display or app state problems. After restarting, check the system theme first, then open Mistplay. If Mistplay still looks incorrect, check the Google Play Store for an available Mistplay update. Install the update, reopen the app, and test dark mode again. On Android, you can also clear Mistplay's cache. Long press the Mistplay icon. Open App Info, select Storage or Storage and Cache, and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary app files without using the more drastic Clear Data option. Avoid clearing Misplay's stored data unless you understand what your phone will remove. Clearing cache and clearing application data are different actions. If the dark mode problem started after an Android or Mistplay update, take a screenshot showing the affected screen. Note your Android version and Mistplay version before contacting support. That information helps identify whether the problem is limited to your device or appears across the app. Do not create another Mistplay account to solve a display problem. Dark mode does not require a new account, and switching accounts can create a separate login or make your existing progress appear different. The practical order is: restart Mistplay, toggle your phone's dark mode, disable any theme schedule, restart the phone, update Mistplay, and clear the cache. Your next step is to toggle dark mode off and back on, then reopen Mistplay. If this fixed the dark mode bug, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay troubleshooting guides.